Samsung has once again set the stage for an extraordinary leap in smartphone technology, and the Galaxy S25 series is shaping up to be the ultimate game changer. If you thought last year's innovations were groundbreaking, wait until you hear what Samsung has in store this time. From cutting-edge camera systems to jaw-dropping design enhancements and revolutionary software updates, this lineup is a masterclass in pushing boundaries. Trust me, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly why the Galaxy S25 series is being hailed as the most anticipated smartphone launch of the year. Let's kick things off with the official details that Samsung recently dropped. The Galaxy S25 series will include 4 models: the Galaxy S25, S25 Plus, S25 Ultra, and the all-new Galaxy S25 Slim. Yes, you heard that right. Samsung is introducing a slim variant to cater to those who crave a sleek, lightweight design without compromising on power. The Slim model will reportedly be just 6mm thick, making it one of the thinnest smartphones ever made. But here's where things get really interesting. Despite its ultra-thin form, the Galaxy S25 Slim will feature a 200MP main sensor, the same as the powerhouse S25 Ultra. Imagine packing that kind of photographic prowess into a device this slim. However, there's a catch. The Slim model might not hit stores immediately after the Unpacked event. Samsung is reportedly planning a staggered release, so keep an eye out for updates if you're eyeing this beauty. Speaking of the Unpacked event, it's officially scheduled for January 22, 2025 in San Jose, USA. The event promises to be a spectacle, with pre-orders opening just 2 days later on January 24. Samsung fans in South Korea will see the series launch on February 7, but be prepared for a slight price hike due to economic factors in the region. Samsung's decision to rely solely on the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset for this series, a move prompted by the cancellation of their Exynos 2500 project, also adds to the excitement. This exclusive chipset, built on TSMC's cutting-edge 3M process, promises unparalleled performance and efficiency. Now let's talk design. The Galaxy S25 Ultra's aesthetics are a blend of elegance and functionality. Samsung has addressed the complaints about the sharp corners on the S24 Ultra by introducing subtly rounded edges. This change not only improves ergonomics, but also aligns the Ultra with the rest of the lineup for a more cohesive look. Meanwhile, the S25 and S25 Plus maintain their sleek profiles, with slightly smaller dimensions for a more compact feel. But what truly steals the show is the revamped camera design. Gone are the silver camera rings from the S24 series, replaced by bold black accents inspired by the Galaxy Z Fold 6. This small yet impactful change gives the S25 lineup a fresh, polished appearance that's hard to ignore. Moving to the display, the Galaxy S25 Ultra features a stunning 6.8-inch QHD plus LTPO AMOLED panel with a buttery smooth 120Hz refresh rate. Samsung's signature thin bezels have reached new levels of minimalism, making this device a visual treat for anyone who appreciates cutting-edge design. According to leaks, the S25 Ultra will boast the thinnest bezels of any flagship phone in early 2025, giving it an unmatched screen-to-body ratio. And if vibrant colors are your thing, you're in for a treat. The S25 Ultra's official color options include striking shades like Bing Gold, Jade Green, and the ever-classic Jet Black. These options are bound to turn heads and make the device stand out in a sea of competitors. Let's not forget about the cameras, a cornerstone of the Galaxy S25 series. The S25 Ultra features a 5-camera setup that blends Sony IMX and Samsung ISOCELL technologies. The 200MP Samsung ISOCELL HP5 sensor leads the charge, capturing stunningly detailed photos with 2x optical zoom. The ultra-wide camera sees a significant upgrade, jumping from 12MP to 50MP for broader, crisper shots. Completing the rear setup are a 10MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom and a 50MP periscope lens offering a hopping 5x optical zoom. On the front, a 12MP selfie camera ensures you'll always look your best, whether it's for social media or video calls. These hardware upgrades, combined with the Snapdragon 8 Elite's advanced image signal processor, promise to elevate smartphone photography to new heights. But what about the rest of the series? The standard Galaxy S25 and S25 Plus models are no slouches either. They share many features with their Ultra sibling, including the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset, One UI 7 software, and ultra-slim bezels. However, the real surprise is the Galaxy S25 Slim. Despite its lightweight design, this model doesn't skimp on performance. It packs a 200MP main sensor and a new 50MP ultra-wide lens, making it a photography powerhouse in its own right. The only compromise is in the zoom department, where it features a 3.5 x 50 MP telephoto lens instead of the ultra's periscope zoom. Still, for a device this thin, the trade-off seems more than reasonable. Of course, no discussion about the Galaxy S25 series would be complete without diving into the software. Samsung's new One UI 7 is set to debut with this lineup, and it's already generating buzz for its revolutionary features. The next-gen version of Bixby is smarter and more intuitive than ever, integrating seamlessly with your daily life. Imagine your phone pulling data from your calendar, emails, and even web searches to deliver personalized recommendations and reminders. This level of AI-driven functionality is a game changer, making the Galaxy S25 series not just a phone, but an indispensable personal assistant. Additionally, rumors suggest that Samsung is exploring new hardware-software integrations to enhance the user experience. One such innovation is the introduction of magnetic power profile, MPP, wireless charging, which offers better alignment and faster charging speeds. This feature, however, might require an optional magnet case, so keep that in mind when planning your accessories. Speaking of accessories, the brand has already unveiled a lineup of cases and skins for the S25 series, featuring bold designs and practical enhancements like larger camera ring cutouts and MagSafe compatibility. When it comes to performance, the Galaxy S25 Ultra leaves no stone unturned. Powered by up to 16 gigabytes of RAM and offering storage options up to 1 TB, this device is built to handle anything you throw at it. Whether you're gaming, multitasking, or capturing 8K video, the S25 Ultra's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset ensures a seamless experience. Battery life also gets a boost with a 5,000 mAh capacity and 45 kW fast charging, keep you powered throughout the day. And let's not overlook the return to Android 15, which combined with One UI 7 delivers a user experience that's both intuitive and feature-rich. Now, let's address the elephant in the room. Is the Galaxy S25 series worth upgrading to? For owners of older devices, the answer is a resounding yes. The leap in performance, design, and features makes this lineup a compelling choice. However, if you already own a Galaxy S24 Ultra, the upgrades, while impressive, might not feel as groundbreaking. The decision ultimately comes down to your priorities and whether the enhanced cameras, refined design, and next-gen software justify the investment. So, what do you think? Are you excited about the Galaxy S25 series? Will you be pre-ordering one of these devices, or are you waiting to see how they stack up against the competition? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this deep dive into Samsung's latest innovations, make sure to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more in-depth tech reviews. Trust me, you won't want to miss what we have coming next. Stay tuned and I'll see you in the next one.